All right, so let's say you got a bunch of materials over here, right? Um, and you can't seem to get rid of them, and you can't figure out how. You keep trying to delete them, you keep pressing X, but it doesn't do anything. It's still there. Just kind of annoying, and they just keep building up, and they're just taking up space. It's getting confusing, and there's really no reason for them to be there. Well, what you can do is you can actually come up here and you can go to Blender File, and then you go down to Materials, and you open the materials, and then you select whichever ones you want gone, and then you right click and hit delete, and it'll get rid of them. So quick tip, also if you're using images as material, like for textures, like in this way or that way, you can come up here and you can get rid of them, right? In materials, you can delete them, but they're not gone. You got rid of them right here on this too, but they're not gone. Because when you come over here to UV editor, they're still there, right? They're not completely gone yet. So you can just be building up just like with the materials. You can be building up with textures and images. So in order to get rid of those, you come over here to images and you would select them, and then same thing as with the materials, shift, click both of them, then right click and go to delete. And now they'll be gone over here.